Okay. Good afternoon. Today is the 26th of June 2020. My name is Ms. Shamlina and I am the Montessori Directress at Monteca International Play School. And today I'm here with Ms. Charmaine.
Hi, I'm Ms. Charmaine. I'm the co-teacher of Monteca International Play School. So first of all, thank you for watching our 14th section of Parents Information Seminar. Today, we're going to talk about personal care. So personal care is one of the main areas we teach in practical life. So it can be everyday tasks like dressing, eating, cleaning teeth. It's very important that we teach our children about personal care and we let them to do it by themselves. Yeah, because through that, they're actually learning a complex motor sequence. They will develop their coordination, concentration, and independence, as well as a sense of responsibility. So all of this is to fulfill the child's own needs and desire to enable them to becoming more independent.
Yeah. So in the Montessori classroom, all materials are child-sized and they are also within the child's reach. So this helps the process of the child becoming independent much quicker. So as a Montessori directress, you need to be very mindful to observe your children and recognize their capabilities and encourage them to work on their own and becoming more independent. So in the Montessori, we will introduce these exercise of personal care activities through Montessori Materials. And the teacher would give some presentations with the materials and give the child enough room for him to practice and master the skills required to becoming an independent little being. So I have a few materials I would like to share. So we have a set of materials in practical life. It's called the dressing frames. So this is the first frame. It's the press stud frame. So this will help the child to get ready in the morning. We also have the zip frame. And then we also have the button frame. So he can button up on his own. And we also have the lacing frame. So this will help the child with his shoes, lacing up his shoes with different patterns. And we also have materials for them to practice eating on their own. So spooning grains is one of the main activities. So through practice, the child will be able to use utensils very well. And in our classroom, our kids would actually arrange the table. They'll place the placemat when it's snack time. They'll keep their own bowl, their cup, the utensils. And actually after eating, they will tidy up and even use the mop and broomstick to clean up the classroom after snack time. And I have one more activity I would like to share. So this is the polishing shoe activity. It's quite interesting. So when your child is able to polish shoe on his own in the classroom, he can actually do it at home. So it's quite a challenging activity, but he's capable to do it with practice. So when he's able to polish his own shoe, that's quite an achievement. And lastly, I would say that having a tissue box accessible to the child is very important. So if he's having a runny nose or he needs a tissue, it's very important that he's able to get it on his own without depending on anyone.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation, Shamlina. That's very useful. So apart from in the classroom, at home, parents can also give more opportunity for our children to do things on their own. And please give them a little bit more time and be patient. I know sometimes you feel like it's easier and faster if we just do it by themselves for them. But then this is actually one of the learning opportunities that we give our children to learn to do it by themselves. It's okay if they're not doing the way that we want, or sometimes they make it a little bit messy. But as long as it's not a dangerous act, we can let them try by themselves. So at home, our children can learn to use utensils to eat by themselves. They can wear their shoes, they can take off their shoes on their own, they can do buttonings, and as what Ms. Shamlina just mentioned, we can keep our tissue box where our children can reach, so they can get it by themselves when they want to. So please be more patient to our little ones.
Yeah. So as Dr. Maria Montessori quotes, the cry of the child is to help do it myself. So you should allow your child to do things on his own. So as parents, just be patient and allow your child to work on his own. He's a little independent being. I'm sure he can manage the little task and feel a sense of achievement when he's able to work on his own. So be patient with your child, and also you can motivate your child with some moral support. And so that's how, I guess, in the classroom, this is how we work with the personal care exercises. And next week we'll actually be talking about art and craft, how we can stimulate creativity, and also we'll be teaching about how to use scissors, the step-by-step manual.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun topic.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so hope you have a good weekend and take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.